Hi everyone, this is Sony and welcome back to my channel Way to Fluent. So this is the day second of self-improvement journey. So today topic is how we can turn our weakness into the strength. As we all are know that everybody has the weakness. Some people fear of stage, some people fear of speaking English, some people are low confidence means different kind of they have weakness, but how we can handle it, how we can work on our weakness, it is the important. Always remember that instead of running away from your weakness, you should work on your weakness. In this way you can convert your weakness into the strength. So I want to share my weakness. Earlier what I feel and now what I feel. Earlier, I have one fear of, speaking in front of other people. I always feel hesitant while speaking in front of other people. After that, I realized that why I am hesitant, speaking with other people. But after realizing, then I work on. I did hard work. I do lots of things, whatever I can. I did. After hard work, now I feel much confidence and I am able to speak in front of any person. Now I am able to speak in any speak to anywhere in front of any person because I did hard work. So first we just recognize what kind of weakness we have and find out your weakness, and then take little step on work on your weakness. And first you need to accept that whatever weakness you have, you accept that without assuming. If you make mistake, that's okay. If you make mistake, you can after that you can take a small step and you can do everyday practice. With the practice you definitely achieve your whatever you want. You can convert your weakness into the strength. Now you can see me. I can speak in front of other people. I can in public. Yes, now I am going to everyday practicing. No, it is not to change everything in one day. It is not one day task. It is long journey. It is long journey. Believe that. So, and turning your weakness into the strength, it's a take time. It's a matter to consistency. If you consistently do practice, if you have patience, then definitely you will see the after that you will see the difference. Your previous and now you can see the difference after that. But if you not do any, if you not take any step, if you not do work, then it is. Always remember that first you need to just start work on your weakness. First you need to recognize and just start work on your weakness every day without missing single day. You have to do work on, and then you will see the your weakness automatically convert in your strength. It's my experience which is I am going to share with you. It's based on my experience. I earlier what I feel, I always think that we whatever weakness we have, we just god give us, and we can't able to means improve our weakness. But it is not true, because after later I feel that, yeah, I feel I learned so many things. Then I did hard work. Then I felt that it is not true. We can always, whatever weakness we have, we can improve with the hard work. This is the my day second of self improvement journey. I hope after the lots I will see the lots of improvement in my journey, because I want to make these videos not for anyone, just for me, so that I can see the improvement. And also if somebody want to also improve their personality, their things, then they can also motivate from me. So that is my perspective, that is my goal. So I hope you understand my point, and always remember that progress is better than perfections. We should not chase the perfections, because do when we do hard work, when we put our efforts, then definitely perfection is comes automatically. So we don't need to chase the perfections. परफेक्ट बनने का परफेक्ट होने का, किसी चीज को करने का, परफेक्ट होने की चीज को आप छोड़ दीजिए। परफेक्ट आप तभी बन पाएंगे जब आप डेली डेली अपने ऊपर काम करेंगे, एंड डेली डेली उन चीज़ों को करेंगे जो आपकी वीकनेस हैं, देन परफेक्ट इज ऑटोमेटिकली कम्स। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर वन कोट: वर्क ऑन योर वीकनेस until it's become your strength. सो तब तक अपने वीकनेस पे काम करते रहिए जब तक वो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ में ना बदल जाए। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड माई पॉइंट, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रैप अप दिस topic. And thank you so much for watching me and watching my videos. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like and share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for me, so if you have any weakness, then please you write down in comments. And again, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, I will come with the another topic in next video. Thank you so much for watching my video.